Divergence up NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9.
The night beckons while you dream.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Target filled.
A life never lives in peace.
Reversing.
As you stand upon the edge,
Speed of NQ 382.
woven by a single thread, and fate may fall down upon you, while the devil is knocking right at your door.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Michael O through.
New bar on the way.
Target filled. Target filled. Target
Speed
filled.
of NQ
Target filled.
234. Fib.NQ on the 9. DCDM NQ on the 1. Enigma short on the NQ1. Speed of NQ 221. Speed of NQ 221.
Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. Had some issues trying to get the live stream going there this morning. Fun stuff, dealing with my kids this morning, etc., etc. My apologies for being late. Let's get going here this morning. Let's see. Welcome aboard. We're gonna get straight to things because yeah, I'm late. Well, it happens sometimes. Let's see here. I think this is setting up for a trap here. We break through this little triple shark area. I'm gonna stab it long here real quick.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Yep. Hearing it. Bring the stop in underneath these.
Speed of NQ.
We'll talk about it here in a minute. Wow, it's getting real fast. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that was super quick. So sounded like we were cracking through, hearing the buyer step through there inside, but no, structure still holding to the short side there. I've got a green dot there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's what I wanted right there. So we got the double dot high time frame there. Looked like a nice trap to set up right there. Tried it right there, came down, stopped me out to the tick, and then we get our run up here. All right, so first trade there for me. We're going to count them adding the coins on today. Good speed. I'm going to go ahead and turn full auto on there.
Speed of NQ 284.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Okay, there's a supply, and let's go with the crack of the bat. Nope. Structure held again. Okay. Got me. 2 trades in.
Speed of NQ 255.
Yeah, speed might be a little bit too much for my tight stops here. Double supplies. So, is that going to bring it back down, or are we popping up here? Let's see. Alright. Shark crack one more time here.
Target filled.
In king timing.
Target filled.
And stops under the cross.
Target filled.
Tried to push out a runner there. Didn't grab it fast enough. Okay, there's divergence. On the 9s.
Speed of NQ 224.
I need to get my Maccabee Ultimate on my screen. Alright, it's going to the bottom there. Okay, so we were neutral, now we are red side.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Alright, Enigma short. Hit my stop back behind the short. I'm sorry, behind the shark.
Target filled.
And
Target filled.
Enigma there.
Target filled.
Target's filled.
Speed of NQ 158.
Okay, looks like the 3 wise men. Got my finger over the buy. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Watch that little double area line right there. If we come back through, I'll go. There it goes.
Target filled. Target filled.
Target's filled.
Target filled.
Stop under the cross.
Speed of NQ 189.
Target filled.
Target's filled.
New bar on the wave.
One moment, we got kids screaming. Hold on a second.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Enigma short on the NQ1.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
All right, beautiful work there. 1350 on the morning for the leader account.
Speed of NQ 439.
Times 20, we're over 20K on the day. Mic check. Test 1, 2. Yes, thank you for that real-time protection check. Dadgummit. Yeah, thank you for that. Currently neutral on the MACV.
Speed of NQ 200.
Capable of playing both sides.
On the 9. Speed
Okay, here we go.
182.
High time frame. We've got a divergence, second one after a fail. Let's look for this one potentially to push us short. We need to see structures hold. That was one structure hold. Let's see how this Gartley does. Yep, Gartley holding as well. All right, so inside this area, I want to see if I can target that prior low for a runner. Potentially, there's a lot of speed here.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Just locked. All right, got one shot left in the gun here. We got 4 trades in, 1350. Looking for one more. I'm going to go ahead and enable
Speed on the
continuous, and as I do, there comes an Enigma right there.
Target filled. Target filled.
Targets filled for trade number 5 on the day. Puts me up 1797. Curtis, you're thinking we go all the way up here to prior close? Is that what I'm hearing you call? Curtis thinks we're going all the way up here to prior close. What do you guys think?
speed of NQ 160.
Maybe so. We
Speed
had a
of NQ
huge play call yesterday where we had the close and open sitting in the same spot yesterday and nailed it at the end of the day yesterday. Alrighty then, so it is 9:56, got in here late, so 1797 in 15 minutes. News in 3 minutes, thank you for that reminder.
Speed of NQ 126.
Yeah, I see the P point all the way up there. I posted a video last night from NinjaTrader, who, if you guys want to go and check that video out in the Discord there, on specifically on daily pivots, how they originally designed and created, all that kind of stuff. If you guys want to go check that out. The theory behind it. More useful back in the day when you didn't have intraday details. I mean, everybody's like, "Oh yeah, that's really good," because no, it's not that great. It's okay. Talking about back when people used to have to use fax machines to get information and get the daily bar at the end of the day, and no volumetric intraday data. People were using paper hand sheets.
Speed of NQ 152.
All right, news coming out in about, oh, might have been pre-news. Somebody leak it? Looks like it's moving right now. That looks like news movement right there. Or is that fear of news movement coming right there? I can tell you this, they squished it right into the golden ropes of safety. You see that? Just boom, right into it. Like they're just, okay, let's just leave it right there. So somebody's nervous about the news that's about to come out. Flat into the highest time frame golden ropes.
Speed of NQ 164. Speed of NQ 164.
Anthony said, just wondering what trade copy are you using? So currently I'm using the one that I'm testing that we created ourselves.
Speed of NQ 207.
The one I created is coming out in a couple days in the feature release.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Looks like a moonshot long right there, but we are right in the middle of that news event there. It's 10:01. A couple more minutes here to sit on hands there, but that could be the beast moonshot right there. There she goes. You know, talking about the lags, we'll have to have a detailed, discussion around trade copiers, how they work, the internals,
Speed of
New bar.
NQ200
the
in
you know the delays and the lags that people say really has to do with your PC and NinjaTrader and everything going on in your machine. It's not the software itself. You guys need to have some understanding. You're gonna have to get really technical. Okay, I'm gonna have to sit down and go, let's talk about what's happening here. The records that are being written to memory, to hard drive, to your logs, to the database, being translated to your broker, translated to your trader funding program, going through your R trader, going through, like, you guys need to understand technology, okay? You really have to. And then you're like, why doesn't it work on my i5?
Speed of NQ200 divergence of NQ on the 9.
I'm gonna have to have Nikita draw you guys a diagram. Yeah, I did just check that a little bit ago. Thank you. But I didn't before, so you guys feel free to remind me all the time. Because, yeah, I totally forgot when I came out here. I was running late, trying to get in here quick for you guys.
Fib.NQ.
And yeah, no, I had not turned it off. Windows 10 keeps turning it back on for me. I've got a 14900 sitting behind me, literally on the floor, open on.
NQ200.
Well, it's out of the box now, but I pulled it out of the box. Still has the shrink wrap on it. I'm ready to get it loaded up after I get this release out this week. So a couple more days, getting the release out. I'm sure there will be, we need to make sure people people have troubles getting installed and all that kind of whatnot. It's always the routine. So we'll spend a couple days on that. And then it's finally going to be about me. I'm going to get my 14900 cranking, and I can't wait to be running at 6 gigahertz. It's going to be amazing.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Oh, Anthony, don't tell me you've got an AMD, bro. Don't make me go off on my tangent. Somebody tell him before I do, please.
Speed of NQ 161.
Yeah, there are definitely ways. I just don't want to do it. I'll tell you why. I have some of the nastiest trolls and scammers on the internet who would love to see nothing but, me and all of my children dead, okay? Like, because they can't compete. They've got to do the death threats and all that other kind of stuff that they all do all the time. If I were to create a PowerShell script, put it into our system where you could disable your antivirus, guess what they're going to go and run around and say? They're already saying it right now. There are claims out there right now on obscure forums that nobody uses anymore. Things like, oh, it's got, what do they say? They're saying that we've got spyware in the software, right? They can't win, so they're like, oh, okay, it's like greatest trading software in the world, but oh, it's got spyware in it. Oh, it's a virus. He tells you to turn off your real-time protection so he can virus your computer. What? Why? Why would I do that? Again, they don't think past me hate Vinny. Vinny mean to me one day. Me mad. Me angry.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
So yeah, I hesitate to, basically, if you guys want to create your own stuff, do it. I can only make suggestions as to the what, right, and the why. Real-time protection can slow down your PC, and I can show you all the files that get created inside your documents folder under NinjaTrader. It has to do with how NinjaTrader and the CME sends you data and how your PC has to process that quickly. But if I make suggestions, oh, turn off your antivirus. Oh, I've never had to use a software that told me to turn off my antivirus. Really? You've never played a video game? Every performance guide on the planet tells you before you play a video game, turn off your antivirus, turn off your real-time scanning, turn off your OneDrive, turn off your synchronization. I mean, no, Vinny's gotta be, he's big mean man. Yeah, you can't fix stupid. You can't. But then they're like, okay, now, okay, guys, let's start our own Discord to hate Vinny. Okay, so now, here's what we're gonna do, guys. First, let's go make some fake payments on PayPal, and then let's go run a bunch of chargebacks. That didn't work. Let's go on to Trustpilot and put a bunch of bad reviews on Trustpilot. Don't care. Let's go tell everyone there's, he's spying on you on your PC. Okay. Anything else? Let me think of something.
Speed of NQ 206.
It stays off on Windows 11?
106.
Mark, say that one more time. If you disable real-time protection, it stays off on Windows 11? Can somebody verify that? Okay, you know me, I'm a trust but verify guy, okay? I trust you, but now I need a verification. Can I get that in an article somewhere? Can I get that? Show me proof. Because I've seen it come back on. Okay, so is that a false fact? Okay. Y'all know my thing with false facts. Be careful. You state a fact that is false and then expect someone else to prove the negative. It's a very difficult conversation, and I don't mean to be rude, but this is where, like, if I answer you truthfully, people are going to be like, Vinny's so mean. Okay, I'm trying to handle this very diplomatically to you. Yeah, but I do not believe that is true. Yours stays off? Okay, so some people's do, some people's don't. So maybe we need to figure out what's the secret sauce? Maybe you have a third party, again, and everybody's got different configurations, right? Maybe you've got a third party antivirus that does keep itself off, maybe. But the Windows one just does. Oh, Windows 11 Pro. Okay, so Windows 11 Pro versus Windows 11 Home, perhaps?
DCDMNQ on the 1.
Your Windows 11, it comes back after a reboot.
On the 1.
Yeah, you gotta apply a group policy to keep it off. Group policy, okay. Yeah, see, and I've seen a lot of those. I could walk people through doing that, but here's what happens. I have, again, this is just experience speaking. I have shown you guys a lot of cool things with your PC in the past, okay? And then next thing you know, I'm held responsible for anything that happens with your PC ever, right? Everybody's like, oh, Vinny told me to do it. Okay. I'm sorry, we can't for liability purposes, right? We've got, it's a real business. We've got, employees. We've got, people that rely on, what we do here and all that kind of whatnot. And it's just, liability, I can't do it. But y'all are I'm happy to have you guys have those conversations, but I can't vouch for anything, you know what I'm saying? It's always, I heard X, Y, and Z. The beautiful thing is, Google it, right? Find something. If you feel comfortable doing X, Y, or Z, then do it, but don't ask me to vouch for it, you know what I'm saying? We just have to be that way, unfortunately. Because, people who have hurt their feelings get angry, I'm gonna go write a bad review on you. I'm gonna tell everyone.
And 4.
It's coffee time.
New bar on the wave.
Is it 10:10 already? Yeah, I got out here late, so it feels like I just got here.
DCDMNQ on the 1. DCDMNQ on the 1.
Well, you know what that means. It's that time. Get your lighters out, turn on your phone flashlights, and wave them above your head. 'Cause it's time for the AlgoBox ballad.
I'm holding on your tricks. Got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how.
Speed of NQ 175.
Tell me that it's easy,
Speed of
then
NQ
you can see the game
175.
You play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and play along. AlgoBox, it's true. It's too late to miss the game.
Speed of NQ 126. Speed of NQ 101.
Feet off the ground. AlgoBox makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. AlgoBox, and never miss the game.
Oh, that is a beauty. And I'm gonna grab a coffee.
ICT. ICT.
Vinny Emini AlgoBox, they're the kings of the trade. ICT, you a joke, your strategy's just a charade. Michael J, huddle stay, you ain't real, you're a fake. Talk about trade and lie, but all you do is simulate. Vinny gum strategies. He be stacking them pips.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ 146.
Your analysis is weak. Michael J, you ain't got the skills, just a trading sheet. We trading warriors, be the best in the game. Vinny Emini AlgoBox, we bring the flame. ICT, Michael J, are just frauds on display. In the trading industry, the ones that pave the way.
Whoa. They disbelieved on a faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth process.
Editing process. Can't do it live, but just trust me, bro. Just trust me. No thanks, Mikey.
Speed of NQ 129. Speed of NQ 129. DCDM NQ on the 1.
Hell to the Muppets, to the ICT stock puppets, selling bottoms, buying
DCDM NQ on the 1.
Why so angry? Why so dumb? Why not coming? Living in your mama's basement while we catching that retracement. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Speed of NQ 131.
Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Michael Mikey, mental midget, cause his IQ just one digit. Selling snake oil to the blind, youthful dreamers, unrefined. See the error of your ways, finally come and see what pays. Just let Santa fill your socks, feel the power of AlgoBox. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Get you some.
Enigma long on the NQ1. Speed of NQ80. DCDM NQ on the 1. DCDM NQ on the 1. Speed of NQ72. Speed of NQ94. Speed of NQ94. Speed of NQ 199.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ 196. Speed of NQ 168. Speed of NQ 192. Speed of NQ 192.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ 260.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Speed of NQ 285. Speed of NQ 191. Speed of NQ 150. Speed of NQ 150. DCDM NQ on the 1. Speed of NQ 145. Enigma long on the NQ1.
Alrighty then. Let's see what's going on. It is about 15 seconds till 10:30. So we're going to move back the other way. You're going to be taking coins off the table. And there goes a moonshot right there at 10:30. Let's see if that went 20 ticks here from the start there. No, only 12 there so far. Would need to go 20. Don't worry, we won't need to do measurements on the next release. Got that built in now. There we go. Now it went 20. 23 ticks to the upside from the cross. 25 for the moonshot. Let's type some moonshot in the chat. Let's get some moonshot hype and let's go. Nikita, you smacked down some targets again. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's do an assessment. Where's everybody at here for? Type in the chat how you're doing today. You red, you green.
Speed of NQ 168.
Let's do a quick check here with everybody hanging out here on a stream. And then let me know if these streams are valuable to you or not, or are they just distracting to you because you know how to play with the system? Like, is it me repeating what's already there? It's like, yeah, Vinny, I see. Yeah, it's a moonshot. Yeah, I see the double enigma. Yeah, and it's like, do I really need to spell this out for you? You know, because sometimes I feel like it's redundant. Like, I feel like coming out here and walking you through what's already there in front of you.
Speed of NQ 135. Speed of NQ 135.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Okay, so I mean, I'm hearing some good feedback around those. The question is, so doing the morning and the afternoon, is that valuable, or is, I mean, because it looks like, if I'm looking at the numbers, okay, I'm looking at, let's give me an example. So I'll go in and just look at view counts. So yesterday morning, Tough Tuesday, for the morning session there, got 828 views, didn't crack 1,000. But then the afternoon one, where we absolutely crushed it and annihilated it, got 20K, and it's at 641 views for the afternoon session. So it's sort of like, I don't know, trying to figure out if the morning or the afternoon is where you guys want to see it. I know there's other, not a lot of other noob tubers out there in the mornings, so I don't know if the morning one is that valuable. If the afternoon would be more valuable for you guys seeing it in the afternoon, the way we're finishing out.
Speed of NQ 143. DCDM NQ on the 1. Divergence down NQ on the 9.
See, I like to hear that. I heard this, so Manuel put in, the quality is better than Trades by Matt and Patrick combined. Yeah, but you know what's interesting? So I watched a video by Alex Ramosi just yesterday, and he was pointing out that sometimes higher production value, for whatever reason, is not what people want. So it's sort of like people have this attraction to the mellow, the maybe it's they feel like, I don't know, I don't fully understand that, but yeah, it feels like the more polished and production ready stuff we put out, the less it goes. I don't know. It's weird for me. Because I feel that way, but sometimes I feel like I'm biased. I'm like, I'm watching
CDMNQ on the 1.
Trades by Matt and Patrick Whelan, and I mean, I have to laugh internally. I mean, I do. But yet, you can't argue with the numbers. I mean, their numbers are just smoking it, right? It's crazy. So I don't know. I don't get it.
Speed of NQ 219. Speed of NQ 219.
For more lifestyle videos, Vinny, go on vacation and record yourself. Well, got 4 kids and a wife and a life and elderly parents, and yeah, get real as it gets. I don't understand YouTube world.
DCDMNQ on the 1. Divergence down NQ on
Okay, look at that.
Fib.NQ.
You know what I want to press when we pop there. Okay, so market's picking up here. What's happening here? We're at 219 all of a sudden.
Speed of NQ 261.
Yeah, don't necessarily attract the good or serious traders. That's true. And then it's funny, the ones who pretend to be serious, you know, lie and troll me so hard it's hilarious. So we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing. Gonna have some really smashing exposés coming on the Market Historian channel real soon. They're entertainers, not educators. I mean, there is something to be said for edutainment, but that's exactly what I was listening to Alex Ramosi just talk about the other day. That, you know, when he did less production value, just going out there and, you know, no high-end video edits. First, you can pump out more content because it doesn't take as long to produce. And the serious people tend to want that. So I don't know, I'm torn on it, but I do know, like, I spend a lot of time out here on live streams, and I could be multitasking, doing other things simultaneously. If I weren't on a live stream, I could trade and do the other things I need to get done, you know what I'm saying? So need to make sure that the time we're spending out here on these is valuable. So we'll see. We'll just keep at it.
Speed of NQ 168.
All right, let's watch if we crack this. If we crack this red dot, the upside, I mean, we've got a very long way up to the P point above this area. You know, they're going to be collecting a lot of contracts in this area, and they could be sending it immediately, because if so many contracts have been collected on these two sitting here combined previously, all the way back to, where was that? There's one at that pivot and all the way back. Wow, how far does that go? Ooh, a lot of pickup there. So we're right back to that area right there in the ropes here, and could send it back into the ropes of safety, or we could rocket launch up to 18,950. So, you know, both directions here. We're just going to play on the low time frames and execute the game, play the game.
Speed of NQ 97. Speed of NQ 97.
You purchased from the live stream, for what it's worth. Well, I appreciate that. You know, some thoughts around that too. I've heard some people say, well, you know, why buy the software when I can come out here on live streams and just, you know, play off of my screens, right? So I've heard that interesting thought as well. So you're out here in the morning and the afternoon, so what do I need to buy it when I can just follow your stuff? At the same time, you know, we tell you guys, look, I'm not trying to tell you to follow my trades. You should not be following my trades. Definitely not the point or the purpose. I'm here to demonstrate how I use it. People chase dumb content, such as trash TV. I consider the traders they broadcast to be pretty trashy. Yeah, and I feel like I get pulled into that mire. Yeah, YouTube does have a bit of a delay. Have you guys figured out about, you know, what's the, how many seconds you guys get? And type in the chat if you can kind of do an estimate. Look at your charts. What's the estimated delay that you guys are getting from YouTube?
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Hopefully it's not too much. Okay, I would have liked to take that one, but too busy playing around here. So that is a moonshot with a 15.1 behind it. If I get an entry point across, I'll join in on it. Left hand buy, right hand sell.
Speed of NQ98.
Jesse, you're only getting about 7 seconds. That's pretty good. 10 seconds, 14-ish. Make sure you guys click that little live button on the bottom left, just to make sure. Make sure you've got YouTube set to live there. And then give me a reading. Maybe this will be more helpful. Okay, let's try this one more time. Tell me how many seconds, and then tell me what state or country, whatever you're comfortable with saying. You know, if you're not comfortable saying, I'm not asking you for a street address or anything, but like what part of the world, what, you know, country you in. If you're in the United States, if you can include the state, that would be good. I'm curious, like, I don't know where and how YouTube distributes, but I'm curious if there's somebody way behind, like particularly Canada. So I know somebody was in Canada there. It's 10, but there's a pretty big gap there. One person from Canada is 10 to 15 seconds. The other said 30 to 60 seconds. Oof, I hope it's not that big a difference.